in US, in United States. Oh, nice. Is it closed now or still open? Why? Why is it closed now? I wasn't making much. That's why. Why don't you try other business like um like other it isn't easy. Yeah, I know. And also if you are not enjoying in your business, you have no motivation. You will get lazy and lazy. Am I right? Because that's how business works. If you do love your business, you will get more motivation. But if you don't like your business, you will get lazy and lazy, like something like that. I agree. Am I good? Am I good? You're a pro. Did you know that I have a part-time work last year, and it's a live selling. It's a live selling, so I know how business works. I know how to like all like I know how. Hi Rose, hello. Thank you, Jason. But I resigned. I quit because life has been so harsh to me that time. I'm working and also I'm studying, so my I am so I can't handle it anymore. That's why I quit. I focus on my studies more because I really want to graduate in college. You know what I mean, Jason? Yes, that's what that's what friends are for. Natatawa ako, Bert. Hi, Maki. Jason, do you know how to speak Tagalog? Or you know? Wow, thank you, Jane. Thank you, Azzy. Aga mo, bagong buhay ka na ba? Oo ba? Hindi ma, alam mo bang nag-live ako ang gabi? Nag-live ako ng madaling araw, gagi. Ano ako, 1 to 3 ako, bakla. Ay, hindi, 12 to 3. Bakla ako ng taon, di ba? Tapos nag-live uli ako ngayon. Oo, ma. Na para bang kailangan kumain. Yes. Ganun ako ma. Ganun ako kaano. Kasipag mag-live. Hindi ka ba magla-live ngayon, Maki? Kako kung hindi ka magla-live. Coach. Coach. Tayo ay papal to this month. Oras ko din, 1 to 3. Uy, congrats! Malapit ka na mag 7K. J-Sop! J-Sop, are you still there? I don't speak Tagalog. Like, you don't know a little Tagalog. I will teach you. I will teach you how to speak Tagalog. Wow, na para bang... Sige, kakatsa. I know a couple words. I know a couple words. No, you drop some, tawag nito? Ano tawag dito? Teach me how to doggy. Drop some Tagalog words that you know. Feeling ko, alam nito mura.